I'm getting ready to put the bid cap strips on, and the instructions say to leave one layer of duct tape. I'm not all thrilled with this duct tape because you get this washboard effect. I've tried other tapes, cellophane, different kinds, and none of them seem to. I've had them come off at the wrong time and in the wrong places. But this, in spite of the washboard effect you get on things, duct tape seems to be the best. The bid tapes are to be 2 inches wide, and the duct tape is 2 inches wide. I'm not good enough to get the duct tape exactly lined up with this without getting it on the rest of the piece. So I put extra pieces of duct tape. Here's the center line of my 2-inch bid that I'm going to be putting on. And as another thing that I do is here's a roll of 1 mil drop cloth, and this is how it comes. What I do is simply roll out as much as I need, cut it off like that, and then I have the width I need, just like that. And I'm going to put my pieces on here with this piece of nice uniform plastic underneath so I can roll it out. I determined that I'm going to need a 12-inch and two 24 inches. How I got that is 12-inch piece here, 24-inch piece here, and a 24-inch piece here. So that's what I have, is 24, 24, and 12, 2 bid. I'm going to mix up the epoxy now.